This video illustrates the simple and truly time-saving installation of Turncraft columns using the TimeSaver cap and base. Slide TimeSaver cap on top and push down to the neck ring. The integral pressure tabs will keep the cap and base in place while you complete the installation. Slide TimeSaver base on bottom of column and push up about 2 feet to keep it out of your way. Install 2 L brackets to the bottom of the column. Be sure they are just finger tight. Fasten the installation bracket in place. Tip column into place inside the installation bracket. The top beam only needs to be raised 1/4 inch to allow clearance. Use a level to check plumb and tap shaft with a rubber mallet as necessary to achieve plumb. Fasten L brackets to the platform. Slide cap and base into place and align. This demo uses an 8-inch by 8-foot column, which is the most common size. Also, we have a 12-inch cap set up to demonstrate how much more difficult conventional attachment methods become as columns get larger, but the working space becomes more cramped. As you have just seen, the TimeSaver process solves this and gives you a clean, professional installation every time.